Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gear Up Chale, the unboxing of Quizzy Tech Space. Okay, so you got your whole setup going, you know what I'm saying? You got your TV, you got your surround, and it's all good. Yeah, but you streaming your content, you know what I'm saying? Like from the Apple TV. I love the Apple TV. To me, it's one of the best streaming boxes out there, you know, so I love it. But with like all streaming services, I mean, they have one thing in common. I mean, before the media is delivered to you, it has to be compressed because it cannot be delivered to you non-compressed. You know, at the moment, there's no way of delivering that to you. So they have to compress before you can stream it on any of your streaming platform. Uh, to me, look, it is great, you know, but it takes the, you know, if you love that pixels and you want that sharp resolution and all of that, you want to experience great 4K and OLED and all that kind of thing. At the moment, the only way that content will be delivered to you is through, bam, the physical media. The Blu-ray physical media is still the only way that it can be delivered to you. And yeah, and to me, it's still the best way to experience the movie as the, you know, the director and the creators, they intend for you to experience it, especially if you have the whole setup to support that. So to get that going, what do you need? You need a Blu-ray player. A lot of people will say, what you talking about? You still unboxing Blu-ray players, or people still using Blu-ray players? And I'm telling you, like I've already explained at the beginning of the video, there's no way of being able to deliver the content to you non-compressed on any of the streaming platform at the moment. So the only way for you to be able to experience that sharp resolution and enjoy the whole movie, especially if you have the whole setup to support it, is still through the physical media. And a lot of people have been using their Xbox or PlayStation, you know, not a PlayStation Slim, the PlayStation that has the Blu-ray player in it, to play their content, which is okay. But for a lot of the testing, a dedicated Blu-ray player is still the goal too. None of the PlayStation or Xbox still don't cut it. Now, yeah, so today we are going to unbox the Panasonic UB9004 or UB9004. Now, if you're in Europe, it's going to be the UB9004, but if you're in North America, it's going to be the UB9000. So the 4 there to designate, I don't know, it's Panasonic, I don't know, to designate Europe, something like that. Yeah, so it is the best Blu-ray player, one of the best Blu-ray players out there, and this is the Panasonic flagship. And ooh, I mean, yeah, well, let's go for €1,000. So yeah, yeah, you know. Anyway, so yeah, so this is 4K HDR, you know, Ultra Blu-ray, HDR 10 Plus, supports that 10 Plus, Dolby Vision. You know, so if you have a Dolby Vision TV like the LG G3 to support that, you're good to go there. High-res audio, high clarity sound, premium. And yeah, this one's the best award. Anyway, so let's see what is in the box. And where's my unbox knife? Bam, my unbox knife. It's right here. Okay, so let's get right into it. Bam, let's get this open. Okay, so comes in this box here from Panasonic, and there you have it, the remote control. Now this is a backlit remote control, and that's what I love, but I am so used to controlling everything from my phone. I'm not so much keen on physical remote because I use a lot of my phone to control everything, really. I just do it on my phone and I'm good to go. But anyway, AAA batteries, the user manual here, and then the Blu-ray player. All right, let me get it out of the box. Styrofoam out, and a power. Get this out of the way. All right, the remote control, big one, which is backlit, AAA batteries, and a power cable. Okay, so it comes with the European plug. If you're in the UK, you get a UK plug. If you are in North America, you get a North American plug. But yeah, that's what you get. So it is a heavy Blu-ray player. Whoa, okay, so the build quality is aluminum. Wow, okay, so no plastic anywhere. Start playing, forward, skip, eject, power on here, and have a look here. You see there, look at that. Wow, now that is beautiful. So you have your line in, you have the audio out, video out, and then you have your surround, right? Because this has a DAC built into it, USB, and then this side your surround here. You can connect your entire surround. If you have those individual surround that you want to connect all of them, you have enough input here in the back here to be able to connect all of that, and then your power input, and then the rubber feet at the bottom. It's a lot of technology in here that Panasonic put into this Blu-ray player. It's one of the best Blu-ray players out there. I can't hold it out for too long because it's very heavy. Yeah, so like I was saying, you can't really experience the movie non-compressed if you're going to stream it. So the only way that it can be delivered to you non-compressed for you to enjoy the richness of the movie, kick there with your baby and enjoy the whole thing, you know, with your whole setup, is definitely for you to get a Blu-ray player and get yourself some Blu-ray discs. I got me some Avengers here, and then you know, yeah, Wakanda forever. You know, got that. Yeah, I will. If you want to see the collection of my Blu-ray, you gotta comment below in the comment, and then I'll do a video on all the collection because I just collected a lot. Of course, you know, I love to enjoy movie with my wife and my family, you know, have a family time and enjoy the movie. Yeah, enjoy the cinema, bring the cinema home, and every day, every night, it's a date night. And anyway, yeah, I'll probably do a review on this Blu-ray player. So it's very heavy, and the build quality is good. So this is the Panasonic flagship, the 9004 if you're in Europe, and it's the 9000 if you are in North America. Anyway, guys, thank you once again for joining me on Chale the unboxing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below, and guys, I will see y'all in another video.